Bitcoin is trading at just about 87,000. We've had a decent correction already from 93 to 87. That's almost a $6,000 move, but I do think there is more downside ahead. Potentially another $7,000 to $8,000 drop all the way to $78,000. So, as I've been saying over the last couple of days, the last couple of videos, if you're not following me yet, subscribe to my channel right now. Go and check out the previous videos of yesterday and the last couple of days. I have been warning about this, okay? We were way too overheated over here. Bitcoin went on an incredible run from 66,000 to 93,000, basically without any pullback. The extreme greed sentiment was at an 88 reading, which is insanely high. Everyone is kind of euphoric. The Coinbase app is going all the way to the top, meaning retail is starting to FOMO in. And usually we're just due for a correction. This is healthy. We need this correction because if it doesn't come and it just keeps going up, we risk just immediately cycle topping very, very quickly because things just cannot keep going up in that manner. People start taking profit. We run out of buyers and then we don't want to see that. So what we have now is the potential here for a 4-hour trend reversal. So what we had over here is we had this high and then we had the higher high at 93, but the RSI divergence is present on 4-hour, right? So we made a higher high on price, but a lower high on the 4-hour, and that is a divergence. And under normal conditions, that would take us way down. We already had one earlier on, but due to the extreme FOMO and the breakout, that just continued to push higher. At this point in time, I think the trend is kind of a little bit exhausted, and this 4-hour divergence should play out a bit more, in my opinion. So what we had also is we had this pullback and a perfect retest here of the Fibonacci golden pocket after this retest, right? So what happened here? We had a drop. Then we went back up to the Fibonacci golden pocket and we are down here. So at this point in time, we are at an important level where we're going to find out real soon what is happening. You can see this could potentially still be support. If that holds as support, maybe we take another run up. That is possible. It is possible this holds and we take another run at 100,000 before completely peaking. But if that level drops, so if we really get below this like $86,000 level, I think the next level of support is the CME gap here at about $78,000. So we're probably going to find out today what happens. Yesterday we saw the US stock indices, the SPX, the Dow Jones, we saw them sell off a little bit. So obviously if that continues down, there'll be more selling pressure on crypto also, in my opinion. So for now, we're going to have to wait and see here. Does this level hold? Where we are right now, can that hold as support for another run up and another attempt at potentially the $100,000 level? If we lose it, we're probably going to around about 78,000, and in that case I would like to look for longs over here because I think after that we'd have a nice correction that we've had then, 78,000. We've had a lot of liquidations in leverage, FOMO longs that all got flushed out, and at that point it probably makes for a good long for maybe a final run at that $100,000 level if we get it. So again, there's two possible scenarios. As always, you never know what you're going to get specifically. For now, this is holding as support, but if it breaks down, 86 to 78 is completely possible. And of course, we are looking for altcoins to run too. We've started to see the older dinosaur type coins start to pump. So you can see over here on CoinMarketCap, if I sort by the 7-day top performance, you can see, look at this, what is at the top? XRP. XRP hasn't moved for years. The fact that it's starting to move is interesting to say the least. HBAR is moving, Stellar, Algorand, Near, Cardano. If you've been around for a while, you know that a lot of these coins are all the way from the 2017 era, from 2 cycles ago. So these, we call them dinosaur coins because they're just so ancient in terms of crypto history. And the fact that we're starting to see these coins start to move, that typically means we are at the end phase of a crypto bull cycle because these type of coins tend to move towards the very end, which potentially means here we're in the end game that could last a matter of months, maybe even weeks. There is potential if things go absolutely crazy that we're repeating 2017. I made an update about that in yesterday's video if you haven't watched that yet, which would mean that in 2017 Bitcoin peaked in December and altcoins peaked in early January. we might be following that playbook depending on how things unfold over the next couple of weeks. If things continue to go nuts and coins continue to pump day after day and we don't really get a big correction, it is possible that everything just goes higher and peaks somewhere early January. So we'll keep an eye on that, and obviously I'll keep making daily videos about that. Either way, guys, I think we're in the end cycle, and if you're still on the fence, it's pretty much already the train has left the station, and every day that you're waiting now, every day the coin price is going higher. Like, look at XRP, it's at 83 cents now. You could have bought a week ago for like 50 cents, right? Every day you wait, when it goes to $1, $1.20, $1.50, you're forced to buy in higher and higher. And this is what happens to most of retail. Everything pumps, they wait for so long, they only buy in at the very top, and then your upside is incredibly limited. You might not even make a 2x if you buy the top, and you probably bag hold it all the way down and lose 90% of your investment. That happens to most people. I've been warning about this for literally 2 years. I've been saying it's the best time to buy. Buy. In the bear market lows, you want to be selling as it goes higher, not the other way around. So again, right now, things are pumping. If you're on the fence, you need to decide, right? Are you still going to get in right now? It's already moving higher, but there might still be some opportunity in the next weeks. And if not, that's okay too. You know, you don't need to get involved, but then you need to make the decision, hey, I'm just going to watch this from the sidelines. That's okay. Just don't be the person that's sitting here watching this going up every day, not taking action, and then finally at the very top decide to FOMO in with all your money, and then you're going to get wrecked, bag holding the top, of course. So if you need help, come and join me on VIP. Okay, my VIP membership, it gives you everything you need to understand crypto, to get up to speed. You get access to Discord, where I'm in there every day sharing charts, sharing updates on these coins, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, low cap coins, how the market is developing. You need that guidance if you're in crypto, right? If you do anything with crypto, you have more than a few $1,000s in there, come and join me in VIP. It is 100% worth it. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy, but you need to join now. This bull market is taking off. The link is in the description down below. I will see you on the inside.